This video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the windshield repair kit to fix some tiny cracks on the windshields. So my cars have those windshield cracks right now. That's 3 spots. That's one. That's the second one right here. And that's a third one right here. So I'm trying to see if this kit will repair those cracks. First, just use a cloth to wipe down the cracks, and then using the pin to see if you can get any of the leftover glasses out of the cracks, if there is any. After that, get this section and then put right on top of the holes here. Once this is secured and tied down, just screw in this pin here. After this is secured, put a few droplets into these cracks here. After a few droplets, screw this piece in slowly. One way you can do is go inside your car and see how much the droplet is being filled in with your cracks. Wait for a minute, and then you take out this top part out, and then you re-drop a few small steps and then re-screwing again. Repeat this few times until you feel like the crack is decently zipped through with the solutions. Remove the pressure bar and let it sit for a minute per instruction, and then reapply the pressure bar back into it, and repeat this process until the crack disappears or reduced. One trick is that the pressure bar, after let's say a minute, when you're going rotating the pressure bar, you need to be pretty tight in order to apply pressure. So really squeeze this pressure bar here. So we're looking at from inside of the car. After repeat a few times, crack is definitely a lot smaller, but not completely gone. I'm not sure this kit can actually make it 100% fix, but if it's good enough, I'll take it. So I will repeat these steps a few more times. Once you finish with the steps, and take it out. And with that, put this plastic piece and drop a few more droplets over here and cover it on top, and for the final seal for like 20 plus minutes. So it looks something like that. And just let it sit for 20 minutes. While the first one is just let it sit, I'm starting fixing the crack on the second one. Again, repeat the same process. Put some droplets, let it sit for a minute, and then put pressure sticks in, and then repeat the process a few times. Use the blades they give you to scrape it to get the bubbles out. So the leftover after replacing the 4 trips in my windshield, they give me 2 bottles, and there's still 1 bottle left, so I only use 50%. So that's enough kit that I can just save it for future repairs if needed. So this $11, $12 kit, it's more than enough for all your windshield cracks. So decent value. So at the end, I repaired 4 holes. Here are the results. This one, it was the biggest crack. It's definitely a lot smaller than before, but definitely not fully repaired. I never expect this kit to do its advertised that it's fully repairing, but as long as the crack is small enough that it's not further cracking, it's pretty much worth the $11 you pay for. So that's the first crack. The second crack wasn't that big, and it's, again, the hole is a lot smaller now, but this centerpiece I wasn't able to completely get rid of, but it feels decently smooth. This one overall is the best repair ones, where it's almost all gone from repairs. I think it was this one. And then this is the fourth hole I repaired. Again, this hole, the original crack, it was super deep, almost cracked through the whole way. But now the gap is filled in. But the crack doesn't appear to be completely gone. But again, this is the result I'm expecting. I'm not expecting a completely seamless result. So at the end, here are the results. So at the end of videos, I'm decently happy with the repair kit. Again, as long as I can prevent the crack in the windshield keep expanding, I'm happy with the $11 I spent for it. So hope you guys find it helpful.